In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Regal gift card balance. We all know the excitement of having a gift card and the importance of knowing how much you have left to spend. So let's dive into the process step by step to ensure you make the most of your Regal gift card. First, begin by opening your web browser. This could be any browser you prefer, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. Simply double-click on the browser icon on your desktop or find it in your Start menu. If you're on a mobile device, tap the app icon to get started. Once your browser is open, you'll want to navigate to the Regal gift card balance page. In the address bar at the top, type in the web address, Regal gift card balance page. Then hit enter. This will take you directly to the page where you can manage your gift card details. Now you will see a space to enter your gift card number. This is crucial as it identifies your specific card in the system. Your gift card number is usually found on the back of the card. Enter the number carefully to avoid any errors. Remember, accuracy here is key because even a small mistake can prevent you from accessing your balance. Next, enter your PIN. The PIN is typically a 4-digit number that is also located on the back of your card. If you're having trouble finding it, look for a small scratch-off area that you can easily reveal. The PIN adds an extra layer of security to your card, ensuring that only you can check the balance. With the gift card number and PIN entered, click the button labeled Check Balance. This simple action sends your request to the Regal system. It's like asking the system to verify how much spending power you have left on your card. After clicking Check Balance, view your remaining balance. The page will refresh and you should see your balance displayed prominently on the screen. This is the amount you have left to use for your next exciting movie experience or purchase. Knowing your balance helps you plan your spending and ensures you don't encounter any surprises at the checkout. And that's it. You've successfully checked your Regal gift card balance online. Remember, keeping track of your balance is important. It allows you to enjoy your purchases without any hassle. Also, checking your balance regularly can help you manage your gift card more effectively, ensuring you never miss out on using it before it expires. By following these steps, you've gained a handy skill that will serve you well whenever you have a gift card in hand. I hope this guide was helpful and made the process clear and easy to follow. Thank you for joining me today. Enjoy using your Regal gift card and happy shopping.